Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Loza, and today at Falwell High School, I wanted to show you guys some of the great instructional strategies that we use here in my classroom throughout the school year. And these are some of the great strategies that I've learned here when I was at the University of Oklahoma. At the University of Oklahoma, we have something called the K-20 Center. At the K-20 Center, we try and use different strategies that can help not only students that are here in the high school level, but also strategies that can help out our kindergarten students all the way through our university students. These are some strategies that I think are best for our students at the high school level. At the high school level, we've been talking about manifest destiny and social studies. And we always try and have a bell work activity. With the bell work activities, we try and make sure that our student demographic knows how this manifest destiny was able to be used. And we always try and use this strategy as something of what we've learned in the past and how we can do it with today's lesson. We're going to be talking about a gallery walk. We're also going to be talking about a foursquare and an exit ticket. We're going to get to these here in a moment. Once again, with the bell work question, we always have our student demographics get their notebooks, and with their notebooks, they try and make sure to write down the question of the day, and they answer to their best capable abilities with resources through the Internet of Things, and primarily this is DOK Level 1. Let's look at a gallery walk and make sure that we see how our students are able to be better every single day. This right here is just one of the images that we use. I try and put these throughout my classroom. In my classroom, we can see that this is part of the Oklahoma Land Run, which also goes hand in hand with Manifest Destiny and different types of strategies. With this strategy, we make sure that our students are not only identifying that are visual and kinesthetic learners because they're walking throughout the classroom, they also have to identify things that they see. They see people riding horses. They see people in the background. They see wagons. They see different things. So this is DOK Level 1. DOK Level 2 also helps them have a better understanding of what we're studying, and it helps out our kinesthetic and visual learners once again. Let's go outside and see some great examples of our foursquare. A foursquare is a phenomenal resource where our students are able to write, they're able to draw, and they're able to look at different strategies to make sure that they have better understanding of the material. Come on. So these are some of the great examples that our students have done throughout the school year. Once again, I usually tell my students, and this is a great example right here, to draw a picture. When they draw a picture, they're able to see it in their own liking. They're able to write the definition in their own words and an example of what a scam can be. So this one's a different example from different classes that I teach throughout the school year. And we can see how our students think. They have different capabilities. Not everyone is always going to be a foursquare as long as they're able to have different strategies, as long as they're able to identify, as long as they're able to see what they're writing and drawing, they're able to be better learners in the classroom environment. Now, let's go back inside and show you guys what an exit ticket can be. With an exit ticket, we like to wrap everything up in the school day. We like to make sure that all of our students that are here are trying to be better learners every single day, because every single day, every student matters. With an exit ticket, I always like to use something called Pick 3. Pick 3 lets our students choose any of the 3 things that they've learned throughout the school day. That way they can go home and tell their parents what they've learned. Maybe what you've learned today is the 3 things are: I've learned how to use a bell work. Write the question down and make sure that our students are able to have a better understanding of what they learned previously, or even just start the day with a DOK Level 1. We're able to have a gallery walk where our students are able to identify. And this is primarily for kinesthetic and visual learners. This is DOK Level 1 and DOK Level 2. But one of my favorite ones is a foursquare. With a foursquare, we're able to have our students identify, understand, and look at deeper levels of rigor because they're putting in their own words. This could even be a DOK Level 3, and in some instances, a DOK Level 4. That's why foursquare is one of my favorites. And last but not least, obviously, at Pick 3, we just learned 3 things. Once again, my name is Mr. Loza, and some of these are the best strategies that I've learned at my time at the University of Oklahoma and the K-20 Center. Thank you so very much for today for coming into my classroom, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.